morning students. Subject English, class 7. Yes students, today we are going to start your practice work chapter 3, Tsunami, the night of the killer wave. Already I have explained you this chapter 3, Tsunami, the night of the killer wave. Today we are going to do the practice book exercise question, my turn 1. So let's see what they have given here. A place where an earthquake starts is called the epicenter. जहाँ पर एक ऐसा स्थान जहाँ पर भूकंप आता है उसे हम कहते हैं, जहाँ से शुरू होता है उसे हम कहते हैं एपीसेंटर. ओके. ट्रेमर्स विच हैपन आफ्टर द मेन अर्थक्वैक आर कॉल्ड आफ्टर शॉक्स. यानी वह घटना जो मुख्य रूप से जब भूकंप आ जाता है, जब आते हैं उसके बाद जो घटनाएं घटती हैं, यानी जैसे कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है भूकंप आकर जाने के बाद भी कुछ ऐसे जैसे कि कंपन सा कुछ रहता है तो उसे हम कहते हैं आफ्टर शॉक्स. दीज आर सम वोकेबुलरी वर्ड्स फॉर एन अर्थक्वैक. यहाँ पे कुछ वोकेबुलरी वर्ड्स और बॉक्स में देख सकते हो. यू कैन सी हियर. So we have to use them to complete the text below. Together with this you can see the text also below this box. We have to fill this text, means this paragraph, with the help of the given answers, options. Okay students, I hope students you have understood what you have to do in this. So the question is, the earthquake which dash yesterday is now believed to have dash more than 70 lives. The earthquake which struck, S-T-R-U-C-K, struck yesterday is now believed to have dash more than 70 lives. Climbed, C-L-A-I-M-E-D, climbed 70 lives. Hundreds more people have been injured, I-N-J-U-R-E-D, injured. The quake which started at about 5 AM, मीन्स वह कंपन या वह भूकंप जो सुबह के 5 बजे शुरू हुआ था. when most people were asleep, लगभग लोग सो रहे थे उस वक्त. has caused extensive dash, तो इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ, क्या घटना घटी, एक्सटेंसिव, बहुत अधिक मात्रा में नुकसान हुआ. Several large buildings collapsed and many smaller ones have been completely dashed. बहुत बड़ी बड़ी जो बिल्डिंग्स, इमारतें थी वो नष्ट हो चुकी थी, बिखर चुकी थी, और सारी जो और छोटी बिल्डिंग्स मान लो या घर मान लो, सब कुछ क्या हो चुका था, completely destroyed, D-E-S-T-R-O-Y-E-D, destroyed. A number of roads leading into the city are unusable. Rescue teams are continuing to search for survivors, S-U-R-V-I-V-O-R-S, survivors who may be dash in the trapped, T-R-A-P-P-E-D, trapped in the rubble, R-U-B-B-L-E, rubble. Okay, in this way you have to fill my turn 1. Now let's see my turn 2. Rearrange the words to form correct sentences, underline the pronouns and identify what type they are. What you have to do, they have rejumbled, means यहाँ पे सही अर्थपूर्ण वाक्य नहीं लिखा हुआ है, आपको इसको रीअरेंज करके सही वाक्य बनाना है. उसके बाद आपको जो प्रोनाउन है, केवल प्रोनाउन को आपको अंडरलाइन करना है और फिर उसको आइडेंटिफाई यानी पहचानना है कि किस प्रकार का प्रोनाउन है वो. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. आई, अबाउट आई टू माई विल दिस स्पीक sister, I will speak to my sister about this. अब यहाँ पे बेटा sufficient space, there is no sufficient space here, so what I am doing here, let me underline the pronoun I, and these are the pronouns. So now I is a personal pronoun. Pronoun has subject, कर्ता के रूप में पर्सनल pronoun I है यहाँ पे. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव pronoun. दिस जो है वो डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव pronoun है, डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव pronoun. In these way you have to recognize what kind of or what type of the pronoun is. Okay, so let's now do question 2. Ourselves, we football hurt playing. Okay, so the answer will be we hurt ourselves we hurt ourselves playing football. So here we and ourself is a pronoun, but what kind of? We is a personal pronoun. This is personal pronoun, and ourself is a reflexive pronoun. Okay, in these way you have to write. Okay students, now let's see question C. Question C, desert, use something for like would. Would you like something for dessert? Question mark. Now would you is the, so you is a personal pronoun. You is personal pronoun. Okay, next, had the, these, bought, are, that, water, we, bottles of. Okay, now these are the bottles of water that we had bought. So these is a pronoun here, so it is a demonstrative pronoun. Next is we have to put the bracket together with this कि ये किस प्रकार का प्रनाउन, अंडरलाइन करके उसी के नीचे हमें लिखना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ई, हॉस्पिटल मदर, अ नर्स वर्क्स whose in has the. whose mother works as a nurse in the hospital. Question mark. Whose, so whose is a interrogative pronoun. Okay, next is someone, everyone knows it, point at, is impolite to. So answer will be everyone knows it is impolite to point at someone. Everyone and someone both are indefinite pronoun. ओके, ये दोनों ही इंडेफिनेट प्रोनाउन है, तो हमें बार बार लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. अंडरलाइन बोथ द थिंग्स एंड राइट डाउन इंडेफिनेट pronoun. I hope you have understood these things. Now let's start my turn 3. Yes, see students, in my turn 3 what they have given, fill in the blanks with the appropriate reflexive pronoun. Means they have given you the fill in the blanks here, but together you can see they have completed the whole sentence. There is a conversation between Reena and her mother. So there are some incomplete conversation between the Reena and her mother. We have to fill these blanks with the help of the reflexive pronoun. We have to write the suitable reflexive pronoun in the blank. So let's start. Reena, bye mother, we are going to Neha's birthday party. Reena said to her mother, bye, we are going to Neha's birthday party. Mother, okay, enjoy dash girls. We are, they are more than one, so it's in plural form. So we'll write here yourselves girls. And Sumi, don't eat too much cake or you will make dash sick. Her mother also said that Sumi, don't eat too much of cake, ज़्यादा केक मत करना, और you will make dash sick, या फिर तुम क्या हो जाओगी, अपने आप को बीमार कर लोगी. So yourself से, did you get Neha a card? Reena, actually we made it dash. So ourselves. What are you and dad going to do this afternoon? Mother, I am going to buy dad some clothes, myself some clothes, and dad is going to study. He is trying to teach dash German. He is trying to teach himself German. Gave a good time at the party, but behave yourselves. Okay, in these way you have to fill the my turn 3 also.